This is a hand warmer and a power bank. It comes with a pouch, a strap. It's stretchable. It's made of rubber. And that goes in here. And to control it, you hit your side button that's right here on the side. The charging cable, directions. This is the hand warmer. It's rechargeable. It's called a space capsule. It's about 9,000 mAh electric hand warmer. It's also a power bank, so it could charge your phone or a controller or anything. You just plug this into here and it charges it. You can't use the charger and the warmer at the same time, even though it's a 2-for-1. The display digital is always on. The display screen flashes slowly when it's being charged. The display screen flashes quickly when the power bank is below 10%. The digital display will be on or off. Will display. It heats up for 13 hours. Is double-sided heating. And it heats in 3 seconds. It weighs about 236 grams. And it's portable. You can put it in your pocket. If you want more information about the hand warmer power bank, look in my description below this video. Ha ha!